Imagine standing on a red-tinged plain, feeling the fine Martian dust beneath your boots, gazing up at a sky painted in hues of salmon and gold. The colors are unlike anything you've ever seen on Earth, a mesmerizing blend that captures the alien beauty of this new world. The sun, smaller and less intense than the one we know, casts long shadows from the buildings around you. These structures, a testament to human ingenuity, stand resilient against the harsh Martian environment. This isn't science fiction, it's Mars, your new home. A place where the impossible has become possible, where dreams of interplanetary living are now a reality. The dream of reaching Mars and settling among the stars has captivated humanity for generations. From the early days of stargazing to the first steps on the moon, our eyes have always been set on the red planet. Now that dream is within reach, with plans to establish the first Martian city by 2065. These blueprints are not just lines on paper, they are the foundation of a new era in human history. This isn't just about planting a flag, it's about building a new life, a new society, a new branch of human civilization on another planet. Imagine schools, hospitals, and homes all designed to thrive in the Martian environment. The allure of Mars is undeniable. Its rugged terrain and mysterious landscapes call out to the explorer in all of us, promising adventure and discovery. It represents a fresh start, a chance to learn from our past mistakes and build a better future. A future where humanity can thrive, not just survive. It's a challenge that will push the boundaries of human ingenuity and cooperation, uniting us in a common goal. The teamwork required to build and sustain a Martian colony will bring out the best in us, fostering a spirit of collaboration and innovation. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Overcoming the challenges of the Martian environment will test our limits, but it will also lead to breakthroughs that could benefit all of humanity. The first Martians will be pioneers, explorers, and builders, shaping a new world for generations to come. They will lay the groundwork for a thriving community, one that future generations will look back on with pride. They will be writing the next chapter in human history, a chapter that begins with a single step onto the red planet. This step is not just a leap for one person, but a giant leap for all of humanity, symbolizing our unending quest for knowledge and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Dream into a reality. The journey to Mars is a daunting undertaking. The vast distance between our planets means a one-way trip could take 6 to 9 months, exposing astronauts to prolonged weightlessness and cosmic radiation. Developing safe and efficient transportation is paramount. Powerful, reusable rockets will be our vessels, capable of carrying hundreds of tons of cargo and dozens of passengers. Advanced propulsion systems such as nuclear thermal or ion propulsion could significantly reduce travel time, minimizing exposure to radiation and the psychological strain of prolonged confinement. Once on Mars, protecting ourselves from radiation will be crucial. Habitats can be shielded using Martian soil or built underground utilizing natural caves or lava tubes. Artificial magnetic fields, though energy-intensive, could provide a protective bubble around settlements, deflecting harmful radiation. The journey to Mars is just the first step. Equally important is ensuring the well-being of those who make the journey. Spacecraft will need to be designed with artificial gravity, exercise equipment, and psychological support systems to maintain physical and mental health during the long voyage. Section 4. Powering a civilization harnessing Martian energy. Establishing a self-sustaining civilization on Mars requires a reliable and abundant energy source. Solar power, though less potent on Mars due to its distance from the sun, remains a viable option, especially with advancements in solar panel efficiency. Nuclear power, with its high energy output, offers another possibility. Small, modular reactors could provide a consistent power supply for settlements and industrial processes. Safety concerns regarding radiation can be addressed through rigorous design and containment protocols. Supplementing these primary sources, wind and geothermal energy could also play a role. Mars's thin atmosphere does generate winds, and harnessing geothermal heat from the planet's interior could provide localized energy sources. The key lies in developing a diversified energy portfolio that leverages Mars's resources while ensuring safety and sustainability. This energy independence will be crucial for the long-term viability of the Martian colony. Section 5. Martian mining, living off the land. Transporting all the materials needed to build and sustain a city on Mars is impractical and costly. The sheer volume and weight of supplies would require numerous missions, each with its own set of challenges and expenses. Instead, we must learn to utilize the resources available on the planet itself. This means tapping into the Martian environment and making the most of what it has to offer. This concept, known as in situ resource utilization, or ISRU, is fundamental to Martian settlement. ISRU involves harnessing local materials to support human life and infrastructure, reducing the dependency on Earth. Mars's soil, though toxic to humans in its raw form, contains valuable minerals and can be used as a building material. By processing this soil, we can create bricks and other construction materials, paving the way for the development of habitats and other structures. Water ice, abundant beneath the surface, can be extracted and purified for drinking, agriculture, and even split into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. This water is not only essential for sustaining human life but also for growing crops and producing energy. Mining operations will be essential, extracting iron, aluminum, and other resources from Martian rocks and regolith. These materials can be used to manufacture tools, machinery, and other necessary equipment, further reducing the need for supplies from Earth. Three-dimensional printing technology will play a vital role, transforming raw materials into complex components and structures, reducing the need to transport prefabricated materials from Earth. With 3D printing, we can create everything from simple tools to entire habitats, tailored to the specific needs of the Martian environment. By embracing ISRU, we can minimize our reliance on Earth and establish a truly self-sufficient Martian civilization. This self-sufficiency is crucial for long-term survival and success on Mars, as it allows us to adapt and thrive in an alien environment. This approach not only makes practical sense but also fosters a deeper connection with our new home, as we learn to live in harmony with its environment. By growing our own food, building our own shelters, and generating our own energy, we become more than just visitors on Mars. We become true inhabitants capable of thriving on this distant world. After decades of planning, dreaming, and innovating, the vision of reaching Mars has finally come to fruition. The collective efforts of scientists, engineers, and dreamers have converged to make this monumental leap possible. Humanity stands on the cusp of history, ready to embark on a journey that will redefine our place in the universe. The excitement is palpable as we prepare to take this giant leap. We are going to Mars. This is not just a mission, it is a testament to human determination and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The journey to Mars is a symbol of our unyielding spirit, not just to visit, not just to explore, but to build, to lay the foundations of a new civilization on the red planet. This mission is about creating a sustainable presence on Mars, a new home for future generations, to build a new home among the stars, a place where humanity can thrive, innovate, and continue its quest for knowledge. The construction of a Martian city is a bold step towards ensuring the survival and prosperity of our species. A city on Mars, a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. This city will stand as a beacon of hope, a symbol of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. For centuries, Mars has captivated our imagination. From ancient star maps to modern science fiction, the red planet has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. A red star in the night sky, a symbol of the unknown, a challenge to our limits. Mars has always represented the ultimate frontier, a place where the boundaries of human potential can be pushed to new heights. Now that red star is about to become a new frontier, a place where dreams become reality, where the impossible becomes possible. The journey to Mars is a journey of discovery, of pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. A new chapter in human history is about to be written, a chapter that will tell the story of our first steps on another planet, of the challenges we faced and the triumphs we achieved. This is the story of that journey, a journey that began with a dream and has now become a reality. The story of the men and women who dared to dream of a Martian city and made it a reality. The story of the men and women who dared to dream of a Martian city and made it a reality. Their dedication, hard work, and unwavering belief in the potential of humanity have brought us to this moment. A story of innovation, collaboration, and unwavering belief in the potential of humanity. The technology and methods used to build the Martian city are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome any challenge. Join us as we delve into the extraordinary endeavor of building the first city on Mars, a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. This is not just a story of a mission. It is a story of human spirit, of our desire to explore, to build, and to thrive in the most challenging environments. The Martian city is a symbol of our collective dreams and aspirations, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. Building on Earth is one thing. Building on Mars, that's an entirely different challenge. That's a whole new ballgame. The complexities are beyond anything we've ever faced. Imagine a planet with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. That's Mars. The challenges were immense. The environment is harsh and unforgiving. Every material, every piece of equipment, every tool needed to be transported millions of miles across the vast gulf of space. The logistics were staggering. Each shipment had to be meticulously planned and executed to ensure nothing was left behind. Then there was the Martian environment itself. The surface is rocky and uneven, making construction a daunting task. With an average temperature of -63 degrees Celsius, the cold was a constant threat. Equipment had to be specially designed to withstand these frigid conditions. The thin atmosphere offered little protection from the sun's radiation. This meant that habitats and suits needed advanced shielding to protect the astronauts from harmful rays. And let's not forget the dust. Martian dust is not like the dust on Earth. Martian dust is fine, abrasive, and gets everywhere. It can infiltrate the smallest of spaces. It can play havoc with delicate machinery, clog filters, and even pose health risks. Engineers had to develop new technologies to combat this persistent problem. From special coatings to advanced filtration systems, every detail was crucial. The journey to build on Mars is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Every step forward is a leap into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. As we continue to innovate and adapt, the dream of a sustainable human presence on Mars becomes ever more tangible. The red planet is no longer just a distant world. It's becoming a new frontier for human exploration and habitation. The future of construction on Mars is bright, filled with endless possibilities and challenges. Together, we are building the foundation for the next giant leap for mankind. Getting to Mars was just the first hurdle. The journey to the red planet was a monumental achievement, but it was only the beginning of a much larger mission. The real challenge lay in what came next. We needed to transport everything needed to build a city. This included not just basic necessities like food, water, and oxygen, but also advanced technology, construction materials, and scientific equipment. Every item had to be meticulously planned and packed. This meant developing a whole new approach to space travel. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to design spacecraft that could handle the immense load and the harsh conditions of space. Innovation was key, and every detail was scrutinized to ensure success. Reusable spacecraft became the workhorses of this interplanetary highway, ferrying people, supplies, and construction materials. These spacecraft were designed to be used multiple times, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Each trip was a step closer to establishing a permanent presence on Mars. Advanced propulsion systems like ion engines and nuclear thermal rockets shortened travel times. These cutting-edge technologies allowed us to travel faster and more efficiently than ever before. The journey that once took months was now a matter of weeks. What was once a journey of months was reduced to weeks. This dramatic reduction in travel time made it possible to send more frequent missions, ensuring a steady supply of resources and personnel to Mars. But it wasn't just about moving things. It was about creating a new home for humanity. The construction of habitats, research facilities, and infrastructure was a monumental task that required precision and dedication. It was about moving dreams. Every structure built, every piece of equipment transported, was a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The settlers on Mars were not just building a new city, they were building a new future. Every launch carried the hopes and aspirations of countless individuals who had dedicated their lives to making this mission a success. From the engineers and scientists on Earth to the astronauts on Mars, everyone played a crucial role in this incredible journey. The dream of a new world was becoming a reality, one launch at a time. Traditional construction methods wouldn't cut it on Mars. We needed something different, something revolutionary. The answer? 3D printing. This technology allowed us to use Martian resources to create structures, reducing the need to transport materials from Earth. Imagine giant 3D printers like robotic architects shaping the Martian landscape. Using a special blend of Martian regolith, binding agents, and recycled materials, these printers could create entire habitats, laboratories, and even landing pads. Section 5. Martian ingenuity, innovations in construction and design. Building a city on Mars demanded ingenuity on an unprecedented scale. We needed structures that could withstand the harsh environment, generate their own power, and even recycle precious resources like water and air. Enter the Martian modules. These self-contained units, built with layers of radiation shielding and advanced insulation, became the building blocks of the Martian city. Each module served a specific purpose: habitation, research, food production, you name it. They were designed to be interconnected, creating a closed-loop system that minimized waste and maximized efficiency. Section 6. The rise of the machines, AI, and robotics shaping a new world. Human hands alone couldn't build a city on Mars. We needed help. And that help came from our robotic counterparts. AI-powered robots became our eyes, ears, and hands on the Martian surface. They worked tirelessly, assembling structures, laying foundations, and even conducting preliminary surveys. These robots were adaptable, capable of handling a wide range of tasks in the challenging Martian environment. And they were more than just machines. They were our partners in this grand endeavor, extending our reach and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 7. Life under a crimson sky, sustaining a Martian city. Building a city wasn't enough. We needed to make it livable. This meant creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where people could thrive. Water, the elixir of life, was extracted from underground ice deposits and purified. Hydroponic farms, bathed in the glow of artificial sunlight, provided fresh food. Oxygen was generated from the Martian atmosphere, and advanced life support systems constantly monitored and adjusted the air quality. Life on Mars was different, challenging, but it was life. Section 8. A giant leap for humanity. The significance of Mars Base 1. The completion of Mars Base 1 wasn't just an engineering marvel. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It showed that we could overcome any challenge, reach any goal, when we dared to dream big and work together. This achievement paved the way for future exploration, not just of Mars, but of the entire solar system. It ignited the imaginations of generations to come, inspiring them to push the boundaries of human knowledge and reach for the stars. Section 9. Conclusion. A future written in the stars. As the sun sets over the Martian horizon, casting long shadows across Mars Base 1, one can't help but feel a sense of awe. We did it. We built a city on Mars. This is just the beginning. The first tentative step in a journey that will carry us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Mars Base 1 stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to our potential, and a reminder that the only limit to our future is our imagination. The stars await. Let's go explore them together. A Martian city. A dream or reality? Imagine a city with transparent buildings, bustling with life, set against the red backdrop of Mars. Is a city on Mars possible? With astronauts already exploring the Martian surface and rovers navigating its rugged terrain, the idea seems less like science fiction and more like an impending reality. Can we truly become a multi-planetary species? The advancements in space technology, from space stations to shuttle launches, are paving the way for this monumental leap. These questions, once relegated to science fiction, now dominate scientific discussions and fuel our collective imagination. Scientists and enthusiasts alike are captivated by the possibilities, peering through telescopes and debating the logistics of colonization. The year 2070 may seem distant, but the clock is ticking. Each passing day brings us closer to this envisioned future. The dream of a Martian city is no longer a distant fantasy. Conceptual images and animations show us what life on Mars could look like, making the dream feel within reach. It is rapidly becoming a tangible goal. Engineers are meticulously planning habitats, and space construction robots are envisioned to build the infrastructure needed for a sustainable colony. We look to the stars, a familiar yearning stirring within us. The night sky has always inspired humanity to dream big, and now those dreams are taking shape. This time, it's not just about visiting, it's about staying. Setting up a base on Mars is the first step towards a permanent presence. It's about building a new home. Families walking through futuristic Martian cities, children playing near habitats. These are the images that drive our efforts. It's about writing the next chapter of human history on the red sands of Mars. Each footprint on the Martian soil is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of exploration. As we gaze back at Earth from our new home, we will remember that this journey began with a dream that became our reality. From impossible to inevitable, the march of progress. Throughout history, humans have dared to dream the impossible. We conquered the oceans, took flight in the skies, and even landed on the moon. What was once deemed impossible has consistently become reality through human ingenuity and perseverance. The notion of a Martian city follows a similar trajectory. What seems like an insurmountable challenge today will likely become an engineering feat for future generations. We stand on the precipice of another monumental leap for humanity. Our ancestors looked to the stars and wondered. We will look to Mars and call it home. Red sands, blue skies, envisioning life on Mars. Imagine a vibrant city on Mars, bustling with life and innovation. Domes shimmer under the faint Martian sun, sheltering lush green spaces and teeming with life. Children chase each other through parks, their laughter echoing through the biosphere. Scientists and engineers work tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of knowledge in their state-of-the-art facilities. This is not a far-fetched dream. It is a vision steadily taking shape in the minds of scientists, engineers, and dreamers worldwide. It is a future where humanity's reach extends beyond the confines of Earth, a future where we become a multi-planetary species. Reaching for the red planet SpaceX, NASA, and the new space race. The quest to explore Mars is not just a dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. This new era of space exploration is marked by unprecedented collaboration and innovation. The journey to Mars is a collaborative effort. Teams of astronauts undergo rigorous training, while international space agencies meticulously plan every detail. Engineers from around the world bring their expertise to the table, ensuring that every component of the mission is meticulously crafted and tested. Visionary companies like SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, are developing powerful rockets and spacecraft, such as Starship, designed for interplanetary travel. SpaceX's ambitious plans include not only reaching Mars, but also establishing a self-sustaining colony. The development of the Starship represents a significant leap forward in space technology, promising to make interplanetary travel more feasible and affordable. Concurrently, government agencies like NASA, with its Artemis program, are laying the groundwork for a sustained human presence on the moon, serving as a stepping stone to Mars. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020 ES, establishing a lunar base that will support future missions to Mars and beyond. This initiative is crucial for testing new technologies and understanding the challenges of long-duration space travel. This is not a competition, but a shared ambition. SpaceX and NASA, along with other international partners, are working together to push the boundaries of what is possible. This collaboration is essential for pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise, making the dream of reaching Mars a collective endeavor. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, a testament to what humanity can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together towards a common goal. The diverse team of scientists, engineers, and astronauts from various countries symbolizes the unity and shared vision that drives this mission. As we look to the future, the new space race is not about who gets there first, but about how we can all get there together, ensuring the survival and prosperity of humanity beyond Earth. Section 5. Building blocks to a Martian metropolis, technologies shaping the future. The journey to Mars is paved with innovation. 3D printing promises to revolutionize construction, allowing us to utilize Martian resources to build habitats. Advanced life support systems will recycle and generate vital resources like oxygen and water, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem within our Martian city. Every challenge presents an opportunity for innovation. The journey to Mars is not merely about reaching a destination, it's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and technology. Section 6. The Red Planet's harsh embrace overcoming Martian challenges. Mars presents formidable challenges. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful radiation. Temperatures fluctuate wildly. Resources, though present, need to be extracted and harnessed. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. These challenges are simply hurdles to overcome, puzzles for our brightest minds to solve. And just as we have throughout history, we will find ways to adapt, innovate, and thrive. Section 7. Sheltering humanity, domes, dugouts, and breathable air. We will adapt to the Martian environment by creating safe havens. Domed cities will shield us from radiation and provide a controlled, Earth-like environment. Underground habitats will offer natural protection, utilizing Martian regolith as a shield. Innovative technologies like MOXIE, developed by NASA, will transform the Martian atmosphere, generating breathable oxygen from the planet itself. These innovations are not mere concepts but active areas of research and development. They represent our commitment to overcoming the challenges and turning the dream of a Martian city into a reality. Section 8. A Starship to a New Home Revolutionizing Space Travel. The journey to Mars requires a revolution in space travel. SpaceX's Starship, a reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel, promises to make the journey to Mars more accessible and affordable. This game-changing technology will ferry supplies, equipment, and most importantly, people to and from the Red Planet. This is not just about transportation. It's about opening the doors to a new era of exploration and settlement. It's about making Mars a tangible destination, a place where humanity can build a new future. Section 9. The Martian Pioneers, a new generation of explorers. The human spirit yearns to explore. A new generation of explorers fueled by a thirst for adventure and discovery will rise to the challenge of settling Mars. They will be the pioneers, the trailblazers, the ones who dare to dream and build a new world. This is not a solitary endeavor, it is a global undertaking. People from all walks of life representing the best of humanity will come together to make this extraordinary vision a reality. Section 10. Sustaining life on an alien world, food, water, and energy. We will learn to thrive on Mars. Hydroponic farms will flourish within our Martian cities, providing fresh, nutritious food. Water, a precious resource, will be extracted from Martian ice and recycled with meticulous care. Solar panels basking in the unfiltered sunlight will provide a sustainable energy source. These innovations will not just sustain life on Mars, they will pave the way for self-sufficiency. We will learn to live in harmony with the Martian environment, taking only what we need and giving back whenever possible. Section 11. Mars Awaits, a testament to human ambition. The journey to Mars is a testament to the relentless spirit of humanity. It is a journey that has captured the imagination of generations, a dream that has been nurtured by countless visionaries and pioneers. It is a challenge that compels us to innovate, to explore, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The quest to reach Mars has driven advancements in technology, engineering, and science, bringing us closer to understanding our place in the universe. To push the boundaries of what's possible, we have developed new materials, new methods of propulsion, and new ways of thinking about space travel. Each step forward is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It is a journey driven by hope, ambition, and a deep-seated belief in our ability to shape the future. The vision of a thriving Martian colony is not just a dream, it is a goal that unites us, a beacon of what we can achieve when we work together, and a deep-seated belief in our ability to shape the future. The faces of those who dare to dream, who dare to venture into the unknown, reflect the determination and courage that define our species. So let us continue to dream, to explore, and to reach for the stars. Let us honor the legacy of those who came before us by pushing the boundaries even further, by daring to go where no one has gone before. To reach for the stars, we must embrace the unknown, face the challenges head-on, and celebrate the triumphs along the way. Each successful mission, each new discovery, brings us one step closer to making Mars our second home. Let us embrace the challenges and celebrate the triumphs. Let us recognize the hard work, the sacrifices, and the unwavering commitment of those who make this journey possible. Let us build a future where humanity's reach extends beyond the confines of Earth, where the red sands of Mars become a new frontier for exploration, innovation, and growth. A future where the red sands of Mars echo with the laughter of children, the hum of innovation, and the spirit of a species destined for the stars. Imagine a world where Martian cities thrive, where greenhouses and solar panels sustain life, and where the next generation grows up with the stars within their reach, and the spirit of a species destined for the stars. Mars awaits. Let's make it happen. Together, we can turn this vision into reality, one step at a time, one mission at a time. The Red Planet is not just a destination, it is a testament to what we can achieve. Humans have always looked up at the stars. We long to explore the unknown. Mars, our red neighbor, calls to us. By 2075, we will build the first city on Mars. It will be our greatest adventure yet. Getting to Mars is a challenge. We need powerful spacecraft. These spacecraft are marvels of modern engineering, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space travel. They are equipped with advanced propulsion systems, capable of reaching incredible speeds, and are built to endure the rigors of a journey that spans millions of miles. The launch is just the beginning of an epic adventure that will test the limits of human ingenuity and perseverance. They must carry people and supplies. Every item on board is meticulously planned and accounted for, from the food and water that will sustain the crew, to the scientific instruments that will help us understand the Martian environment. The spacecraft is a self-contained world, a lifeline for the astronauts who will call it home for the duration of their mission. The crew must work together seamlessly, each member playing a crucial role in the success of the mission. The journey will be long and dangerous. Space is a vast and unforgiving frontier, filled with countless hazards. From the threat of micrometeoroids to the challenges of navigating through asteroid fields, the crew must remain vigilant at all times. They will face isolation, confined to the spacecraft for months on end, with only each other for company. The psychological toll of such a journey cannot be underestimated, and the crew must be prepared to support one another through the highs and lows. But we are up for the task. We have the technology, we have the will. Our mission control team, composed of the brightest minds in science and engineering, will be with the crew every step of the way. They will monitor the spacecraft systems, provide guidance, and troubleshoot any issues that arise. The technology at our disposal is cutting edge, from the communication systems that keep us in contact with the crew to the life support systems that ensure their survival. This mission is a testament to human innovation and determination. The trip to Mars will take months. During this time, the crew will conduct experiments, maintain the spacecraft, and prepare for their arrival on the Red Planet. They will study the effects of long-duration space travel on the human body, gather data on the interplanetary environment, and test new technologies that will be crucial for future missions. The journey is not just about reaching Mars, but about expanding our knowledge and capabilities as a species. Our astronauts must be brave. They must be resourceful. Their training is rigorous, designed to prepare them for every possible scenario. They undergo physical conditioning, learn to operate complex machinery, and practice emergency procedures. They must be able to think on their feet, solve problems quickly, and work under pressure. Their resilience and adaptability are key to the mission's success. They are the pioneers of a new world. Stepping onto the Martian surface, they will be making history. Their actions will pave the way for future explorers, and their discoveries will shape our understanding of the universe. They carry the hopes and dreams of humanity with them, as they take the first steps towards establishing a human presence on another planet. This is not just a journey to Mars, it is a journey to the future of humankind. We can't live on Mars without protection. We need to build habitats. These habitats must be strong, they must protect us from the harsh environment. We will use Martian resources to build. Special 3D printers will help. They can turn Martian dust into building materials. This is efficient and sustainable. The air on Mars is thin, it's mostly carbon dioxide. Humans need oxygen to breathe. We need to create breathable air on Mars. Scientists are working on this now. They are developing systems to make oxygen. These systems will use plants or chemical reactions. Clean air is crucial for a Martian city. Life on Mars will be different. Gravity is weaker there, the days and nights are longer. We will have to adapt. But you know, humans are good at adapting. We will grow our own food. We will have schools and hospitals. We will create a new society on Mars. It will be a society of explorers and innovators. Governing a new world. How will we govern ourselves on Mars? This is a big question. We need a system that is fair. It must work for everyone. Some people believe in a direct democracy, others prefer a council. We need to find the best way. The goal is a peaceful and prosperous Martian society. The Martian spirit, the very idea of humans living on Mars, has captured the imagination of people all over the world. It's a dream that has been nurtured by scientists, engineers, and dreamers for decades. The Red Planet, with its barren landscapes and harsh conditions, presents a formidable challenge, but also an incredible opportunity for humanity to push the boundaries of what is possible. Living on Mars will be tough. The environment is unforgiving, with extreme temperatures, high radiation levels, and a thin atmosphere that offers little protection. Every day will be a struggle to survive, requiring advanced technology and innovative solutions to overcome the many obstacles. But it is precisely these challenges that will bring out the best in us. But it will also be incredibly rewarding. The sense of accomplishment that comes from overcoming such immense challenges will be unparalleled. Imagine the pride of planting a flag on Martian soil, or the joy of seeing the first plants grow in a Martian greenhouse. These moments will be milestones in human history, achievements that will inspire generations to come. It will bring out the best in humanity. The harsh conditions will necessitate cooperation and teamwork. Astronauts will have to rely on each other for survival, fostering a sense of camaraderie and mutual support. Helping a fellow astronaut climb a steep hill or sharing a meal after a long day of work will become acts of solidarity that strengthen the bonds between them. We will have to work together to survive. The success of a Mars mission will depend on the ability of the crew to function as a cohesive unit. Each member will bring their own expertise and skills, but it is the collaboration and collective effort that will ensure the mission's success. Working together on complex scientific experiments or repairing essential equipment will require trust and effective communication. We will learn to rely on each other. The isolation and distance from Earth will make the crew's interdependence even more critical. They will need to support each other not just physically but emotionally as well. Assisting a colleague in putting on a spacesuit or repairing a rover will be more than just tasks. They will be acts of mutual reliance and trust. This shared experience will unite us. The collective effort to build a new home on Mars will create a sense of unity and purpose. Celebrating a successful mission or constructing infrastructure will be moments of shared triumph that reinforce the sense of community. These experiences will forge strong bonds and a sense of belonging among the crew. It will create a strong sense of community. The crew will become a close-knit family, supporting each other through the highs and lows of life on Mars. Whether discussing plans around a table or enjoying leisure time together, these interactions will build a resilient and supportive community. The sense of belonging and mutual support will be essential for their well-being and success. The Martian spirit will be one of resilience, ingenuity, and hope. The challenges of living on Mars will require us to be resourceful and innovative, finding new ways to adapt and thrive in a harsh environment. But it will also be a journey of hope, a testament to the human spirit's ability to dream big and achieve the extraordinary. The Martian spirit will inspire us to reach for the stars and continue exploring the unknown. A green Mars. Can we make Mars more like Earth? Can we make it greener? This is the goal of terraforming. It's a long-term project. We can use technology to change Mars. We can release trapped gases into the atmosphere. This could make the air thicker. It could warm the planet. Maybe one day we'll even have oceans on Mars. A future among the stars. Imagine a world where humanity has extended its reach beyond the confines of Earth, where the red sands of Mars are no longer a distant dream, but a bustling hub of human activity. This is the vision we are working towards. Building a city on Mars is a huge step for humanity. It represents not just a technological achievement, but a testament to our unyielding spirit of exploration and innovation. The challenges are immense, from the harsh Martian environment to the logistical hurdles of transporting materials and people across millions of miles of space. Yet, with each passing day, we are making strides towards overcoming these obstacles. It will open up new possibilities. The technologies developed for Mars colonization, such as advanced life support systems, sustainable energy solutions, and autonomous construction techniques, will revolutionize how we live and work. These innovations will not only make life on Mars possible, but will also have profound implications for life on Earth. We will learn so much from living on another planet. The unique conditions on Mars will provide invaluable insights into planetary science, geology, and even the potential for life beyond Earth. Scientists will have the opportunity to conduct experiments that are impossible on our home planet, leading to breakthroughs in our understanding of the universe. This knowledge will help us here on Earth. The lessons learned from Mars will drive advancements in fields such as agriculture, medicine, and environmental science. For instance, developing crops that can thrive in Martian soil could lead to more resilient food sources on Earth. Medical research conducted in the unique Martian environment could lead to new treatments and technologies that benefit all of humanity. It could even help us reach other stars. The experience gained from establishing a presence on Mars will be a stepping stone towards even more ambitious goals, such as interstellar travel. The dream of exploring distant star systems and potentially discovering new worlds is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. With each step we take on Mars, we move closer to making this dream a reality. The future of humanity is bright. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. The children of today will grow up in a world where space travel is commonplace, where the idea of living on another planet is not just a fantasy, but a tangible goal. They will be the pioneers of tomorrow, continuing the legacy of exploration and discovery. The city on Mars is just the beginning. It is the first step in a journey that will take us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. As we build our future among the stars, we are not just expanding our physical boundaries but also pushing the limits of human potential. The adventure has only just begun, and the possibilities are as infinite as the universe.